Hi, I'm Mike Letchin from Nexenta. I'm here again with one of our partners, and we'd love to talk to you about what's going on with software-defined storage, the entire software-defined data center space. So first off, I'm going to let you introduce yourself, so let everybody know who you are.
My name is Mark Furman. I'm a senior enterprise architect with Tata Consultancy Services.
So I know, Tata, you're based in Atlanta, right? But there's Tata for the U.S. is based in New Jersey. So you guys are all over the states at this point. So you've got your choice of places.
Very much so.
So if you were looking at different things, when you're looking at making that transition into the software-defined data center, as a reseller, what's kind of drawing you guys to move into SDDC?
So really what we're finding is that our customers, typically large enterprises, are really finding a need to have agile solutions. They're bound by these traditional storage vendors that aren't as flexible, that aren't meeting their needs. They're looking to us to kind of partner with smaller vendors, somebody more agile and with new ideas to really kind of revolutionize what they're doing in their data center, reduce cost, improve the performance, all that kind of stuff.
And these are across any workload, right? So it doesn't matter whether it's VDI, whether it's messaging. You guys are seeing just about every workload as a reseller, as an integrator, right?
Absolutely, and that's actually one of the biggest draws for us is to find vendors like yourself that have the ability to span multiple workloads. We're far from being able to just push large, singular use solutions anymore. So stuff like what Nexenta is doing now is ideal. It solves, many problems with one solution. It's been very good for us.
And as a reseller, I'm sure that the flexibility of any hardware. So it doesn't matter which vendor you go into a shop and they say, I want Dell, I want HP, I want Supermicro. That's got to be a big benefit for you guys, right?
Absolutely, and especially with the commodity hardware, it's an even bigger sell. It's just so much easier than trying to sell somebody a multi, $100,000 unit. It's so much easier for us.
So as we're diving into the SDDC, whether it's SDN, whether it's SDS, doesn't really matter. I mean, the hypervisor is software-defined computing, pretty much commoditized at this point. But now you've got VDI environments, you've got Citrix, you've got Horizon, a lot of different options you're looking at. All of these are really driving your decisions for your resellers and for your customers, I should say. What is it? Is it the price? Is it just the flexibility? I mean, we talked about that. Is that price? Is that big for you guys, being able to get that margin as a reseller? Well, not just the margin, but make it better for your customers.
Absolutely. Price is actually, especially in cases like VDI and the Citrix environments, price is almost one of the most important things that we get asked to bring down. Performance for the best price. That's what we get asked to deliver constantly, and that's what we try to do.
Well, awesome. Thank you for stopping by. We really appreciate it. Like I said, I'm Mike Letchin. Thanks for stopping by. Another little partner insight from one of our great partners working towards moving into the software-defined data center and straight through with Nexenta and software-defined storage. So thanks.